Gas metal arc welding, GMAW, is also known as MIG welding. With GMAW, filler material is supplied from a continuous spool of wire that is fed from the welding machine through the welding lead and through the gun. GMAW is a faster welding process for a number of reasons. Since the filler material is continuous, there is no need to stop to replace the electrode. Also, rather than using flux, the arc is stabilized and the molten pool is protected by an inert gas. Carbon, argon, or a CO2-argon mix is commonly used. With additional equipment, GMAW can be used on aluminum as well as ferrous metals.